Okay, welcome to another Essential RC video. We are down the flying field again with Adrian, and he has brought another one of his fantastic looking scale models. So Adrian, what is it?
Yeah, so this is a Aérospatiale Lama. It's a pretty old kit actually. I can't actually take the credit for this one. I didn't build this one. This is
Okay.
a friend of mine built this one, and he's done a sterling job of it. There's so much scale detail.
There's a lot of detail on it.
There really is. As you guys will probably see through the photos throughout, there's cameras and guns and all sorts of things going on in the cockpit. So originally this is a pretty old kit. It would have been a 30 size nitro. Back in the day it would have also been red.
So you're running this on lipos?
Yeah, so it's now converted to electric. It's running 6S. There's a few guys out there that have converted these things to electric, and usually they put like baskets on the side and put the lipos in there.
Yeah.
But with a little bit of modification, you can actually fit a 5,000 milliamp 6S in the underside of the mechanics.
Hides it away nicely.
Hides it away, makes it look more scale.
And I love the little torque tube down the boom for the power to the tail rotor.
Yeah, so it's drive shaft to the rear, as per the real heli. Really crazy looking tail boom on these Lamas as well.
Yeah. It's a really good looking model, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's modelled after a real one, so if you were to Google Lama helicopter 917, you'd see actually in Google Images a real version of this.
Yeah.
So back in the day, this was upgraded. This would have been a flybarred model back in the day, running wooden blades. So this is actually the Aérospatiale MBR3, I think is the model number of this rotor head. This is like an optional extra.
Right.
That came with it. It would have come with wooden blades on that head, but these have been upgraded to spin blades.
Yep.
Which can come pre-balanced. They'll paint them for you as well, and they fly real nice on those blades.
Nice. All right, well, let's get it in the air and see how it flies.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So I've only ever flown this probably 3 times.
Oh yeah, the wind's dropped quite a bit.
Yeah, I'm not sure how it's going to perform in the wind, so we'll see.